Yo, so look, his eyes are a bit rough. I'm going to try and use these little carbon bits that I've got off Amazon. If they're any good, I will put a link. Carbon carving bits. They come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. They're quite small, but I just want to see if it will take the burrs off his eyes. I'm struggling a little bit with the burrs, and he looks a little bit rough, and I don't like that. Yeah, looks a bit better, but again, I'm possibly losing the shape. I need something sort of round that does the whole thing. It's a 12mm hole. I need something sort of round that will take the burrs off in one go. I feel doing this, I'll lose the shape of the eye. Click and subscribe. Let me know what you're thinking, and I'll catch you in the next one.